This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change the download destination in the DuckDuckGo web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the DuckDuckGo web browser opened up now. This is kind of an updated video of a video that I previously did. They changed around some of the settings, so I'm going to update the video here. To change your download destination in the DuckDuckGo web browser, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar Hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the Settings page, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to go down to the main section, down to where you see General, and click on General. Then on the center pane here, down towards the bottom, you can see Location right here. Whatever location is listed here is your current download destination, but you can change that by clicking on the Change button. A little dialog box will pop open, and you can change wherever you want your download destination to be. I'm going to use this one. I'm going to click Select Folder. That is how you change your download destination. Now below that, there's a little box that says always ask where to save files. If you have this box checked, each time you go to download something, you'll see that little dialog box pop open, and you can choose a different download destination for each file. But if this is not checked, then right here is your download destination. Thanks for watching.